As you can see, I was very happy with the results that I got. Do not mind me in those clips. I was just having a lot of fun on Snapchat. You can add me below. I'll enter my Snapchat in my description bar. But anyways, welcome to my channel, you guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. This is part 2. I will be showing you guys how I tint my closure without bleaching it and stuff like that. So if you're interested, continue to watch.
Sewing on the hair. Yes, honey. Ooh. You don't see that? And I did not put any heat to this hair yet. I didn't put anything in it. It's very, very, very long and luscious. Pretty. I'm in love with this hair. Although I do think I could have used another, another blender or two. I'm still a little satisfied, Nobody wants their wigs to look too bulky and, disgusting looking, so I'm pretty satisfied. So now, you guys, I'm just going to put some Shea Moisture to, protect the frizziness. Stuff like that on top of the hair. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Baby hair. As you can see, it's less flyaways than before. And I'm definitely going to be plucking this part some.
So right now, I'm just going to take the baby hairs and blend it in with the rest of the hair. I will be using my Frizz Shea Moisture Spray to make sure everything blends in here properly while I pluck the rest of the hair. Right now, I'm just plucking the closure. I'm not trying to pluck too much hair because, down the line, it'll start balding and I don't want it to, mess up my closure. So I'm just slightly plucking the edges and I'm going to slightly pluck the part.
that you have the hairline plucked. I didn't really want to pluck it too much, so yeah. Might not see a big difference on here, but whatever. So this part, I feel like this part has to be way bigger. So I'm just gonna come this way. You know what? I'm not even gonna mess with the part right now because I feel like it's not bad, right? Part isn't that bad. So right now, I'm just gonna go into the inside, right here, and see where the closure is. Cut away. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut where the closure is. The reason why I'm cutting this area right here is because you want to see the lace. You want it to look real, you know? You don't want it to look like you actually do have, you know, a wig on. So I'm just gonna cut this part off. Out the wig. And it might be a little more breathable being that I'm cutting this part off. So now that this part is off, just get rid of that. That piece. Now you're just gonna flip the wig back over. Ooh. Now you're ready for that action. Girl. See, now it actually looks like an actual wig, you know? I was gonna bleach the knots, but I really don't think it needs to be bleached. However, I am gonna put makeup on it just to make it look a little more believable, I guess. So today I will be using my powder foundation by Neutrogena, and you can use any brush with this. And this is in the color Honey, number 85. So let's get started. I didn't know it came with. It actually comes with like a little powder thing, but I'm not using that. So right now I'm just using the powder on this part right here. Some people use liquid foundation for this. I have tried it. Now that I'm done, and I will have to say I do prefer the foundation. You can see that it blends well with my skin. I'm very happy because I did not have to use bleach. I really hate using bleach because it smells really bad, and it kind of damages the hair. So, yeah. Ooh, I'm hyped, guys. Oh my god. So I'll be back in the next clip with my hair. If you want to see a video on how I customize my wigs onto my head, comment and like below. Yes. So now I'm basically gonna just flat iron my hair. The heat is on 295 because I do not want to burn this beautiful, beautiful hair right now.
So I'm finally done making my wig, styling it, tinting it, etc, etc. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down and comment below your opinions, thoughts, or whatever. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.